Hello everyone, it's MamABoondOggle here, and today I'm going to show you how to do the tornado stitch. I'm going to talk kind of fast, but I'm going to do the demonstration kind of slow because I know some people that didn't really get the quad and some people that did. So, I didn't want to remake that whole thing. So I'd rather just do a tornado video. And with a tornado, you're going to start out with a quad. That's your starting stitch. So you're going to make 4 pieces of GIMP, any colors you want, all the same length if you want. And like I always do, find the center. Wrap 2 of the 4 pieces of your GIMP around your finger. Like so, like I do in my other videos. And just have it like this. Yeah, I know this is crooked, it's just how it's placed in my hand, but it's up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 3rd piece of GIMP, and I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to thread the last 2 pieces of GIMP under the 2 pieces on my finger one at a time. So hopefully you can get it a little better and you can see it easier than the quad. But remember, this is just like starting the quad, but you're just starting the tornado. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to take my 3rd piece of GIMP and I'm going to weave it under all pieces of GIMP on my finger till I get to the center. And this is going to be basically like you're going to do a brick stitch, but you're going to be weaving 2 brick stitches under these 2 pieces. Now what we're going to do, like always, you're going to start on the side that's closed. So I'm going to get my piece of GIMP, bring it up, and go over, under, over, and under, and pull through to the closed side. And now I'm going to do the same thing with my other side. And all you do is go over, under, over, and then under. So you should have something like this, kind of like you're starting the brick. And kind of like a S shape. And what you're going to do is just push it over a little bit so you can have room to weave the other piece of GIMP through. So we're going to be basically starting a whole new brick stitch under these same pieces of GIMP. Make sure all your strings are still pretty aligned. Make sure that your first stitch is pushed a little over, and then so you can have room for this one, and then basically do the same thing and just weave it under all pieces of the GIMP underneath. Pull it through till you get to the center. Okay? Now what I'm going to do, just like I did last time, start on the side that's closed. So now I'm going over, under, over, under, pull through. Basically, and do the same thing with your other side. Over, under, okay, then you're gonna go over, then under again. Okay, and so I'm just going to take it off my finger very slowly and grab the 2 sides over here, and you can start pulling it closed. Okay, so I'm going to pull it closed. Don't pull too tight, but be careful when you pull it because it might be a little tricky you know, to get it tight. So you're starting to form your quad, your starting stitch. Just work with it and play with it to get it pretty tight. Okay, so there we have our starting stitch to the tornado. Hopefully this was easier to do for some of you than the quad. And I will be back with another video showing you how to do the actual tornado stitches.